Front 7. Oh, that was not on purpose, but I'm claiming it. I snaked you, man, I'm sorry. I was like, get out of my way. That slot, but let's see if we can get, like, actually get it. What's up, Team Buckhouse? We're back on the snow and I'm so stoked. Got a little rusty. The first hit of the day. Check this clip out. I like completely brain farted. I didn't know what I was doing. The guy behind the camera today is our boy Bryce. So we got a whole new crew today. Like, there's no Benton, but Griffin's gonna pretend to be Benton. So there's pretend to be Benton. And then we got Bryce filling in, and we got Alex with the freshest jacket in the game. I'm gonna link that in the description. That's all steal Alex's style because that thing is fresh. And yeah, today's just a good day. Snow's a little firm, but dude, everything's sliding good. Sun comes out every once in a while and you get a couple good hits. It's a really good time. So let's just continue to have fun here at Copper Mountain because this is like the last week of Copper. So we gotta enjoy it while it's here. Dude, my front 3 is feeling so good. Let's take it to a 5 now, and then we'll just continue the progression. I should have worn my low light lenses though, because I thought it'd be more sunny than cloudy, but it's turning out to be more cloudy than sunny. So it's kind of hard to see everything, but dude, the 3 is feeling insane. I also did a front 3 stalefish. I don't know, I didn't think about that. The reason why we're not hitting the other jumps though is one, Bryce is getting used to filming, and then this wall ride, I really want to do that like back axle, front axle down. I don't even know what this trick is called on this huge wall. So let's see if I can get that. Intimidating. It's so hard because the other side of that wall is just super steep. So you get up there and you're like, I'm just going down.
Love is love. Love is love. Yo.
That slot, but let's see if we can get like actually get it. terrifying. I think we get it cleaner. But yeah, do that again. Get this stall without Griffin in the background.
Love is love. Love is love. Yo.
Dude, that 5 felt pretty good, and if this sun stays out, we might huck a front 7 today. We did do cab 7 for the first time ever. Before we did front 7, it wasn't the prettiest cab 7 ever. But if you want to see that video, we did the Transworld Snowboarding 20 trick challenge. It was an insane day. Check it out. But it does feel good to get back out here ripping. Sadly, it is a short day. I got to go pick up the truck for our move. We're moving into a house. I'm gonna have my own YouTube studio. It's gonna be sick. We're really excited about the whole process. So I got to go pick up my friend's truck so we can obviously move smoother. But you know what else we can do that's smoother? Today, stickers shout out. We got Cindy Harbin with 5 Evolution stickers on the dash. Looking sick. Thank you for supporting the channel hardcore. As well as we got, oh man, I'm gonna mess this up, Vong Lee with the Roman Evolution sticker on the helmet. Thank you so much for snagging the merch. Guys, if you want an Evolution sticker or any of the merch, hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, they're all linked in the description if you do snag any of them. Tag me on my Instagram. I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs, but also follow my Instagram for bonus extra content. I post where I'm snowboarding each day, as well as just funny stories and things like that. So check out the Instagram for bonus extra content. And you know what's funny is, as I was saying all that, I was flicking my phone and I was like, what if I just like threw it? That was kind of a scary thought. Anyways, snacks and merch, support the dream. You guys having fun?
Heck yeah.
Dude, the new crew is way better than the old crew. Nah, I love the boys, but they ain't riding anymore. So here we go. Enough talking. Back to the just hucking it. Here we go. Make sure you get the landing.
Yeah, make it your landing, yeah.
Like extra long. Front 7, kind of scraped, not the cleanest, but the first one we rode away.
Knuckle.
Front 7. Let's go. So the reason why the front 7 is so important is that's one of our season 5 goals. So we got the cab 5, we actually did cab 7, we did front 7, and we got back 7. We have 3 720s. Shut up, let's go. Obviously we gotta throw a couple more, get more comfortable with it, but like, I'm hyped. How you doing, buddy? Good. I snaked you, man, I'm sorry. I was like, get out of my way. So that one does not count, but it is good to still land and then like kind of finish the rotation and ride away. It's definitely sketchy landing 90 degrees on a landing. I don't recommend it, guys. But if I swear, if we just get some sun, we get the cleanest one. Just sun gives you confidence. Like it's good to go. This might be our best shot, Chipmunk. We got the sun out. Let's go. I gave it too much oomph on that one. Oh, feels good to be throwing front 7s though. Rode away from one today. Big shout out to Bryce for filming today. He's the reason why we rode away from one today. Being able to get like lap after lap after lap and not have to rotate really allows me to get into like a flow state and to work on my progression. Thanks for ripping, man.
Yeah.
That's sick. Bryce, aka Pork Chop, dude. Appreciate it. Always. Benton, thanks for ripping with us.
You're welcome.
Literally the best part about having a channel is always having a friend to go snowboard with. All three of those guys I met because of this YouTube channel. They were all sick. We had such a sick day. And I'm so hyped that I got to like warm up really good. Get that front 7 once, get to throw it 3 times. Like got to work into it. I don't know if you guys saw my progression, but I did 2 or 3 front 3s, then I did 2 front 5s, and then I just started throwing it, and that's the best way to progress. I'm not a big fan of just going out and hucking front 7 first 2 runs, you know, like warm yourself up to it, and then it's gonna come easier. It's gonna be safer. I call it smart progression. Any trick you wanna do, if you wanna learn like a 270 in, well, do a couple 180s in that direction. Once you're feeling good, you're only taking it a couple more degrees, you know, and that's how you really gonna learn new tricks. But if what I'm saying right now resonates with you, consider signing up for snowboard camp. First and second week in June, or June 6th through the something, and then June 6th through the 12th, and then June 13th through the 19th. Come to summer camp. It's an adult summer camp. So if you're 40, 50, 30, 20, any age group, like still come to camp. We're gonna cover basics to park, as well as if you're throwing down in the park, we are gonna cover backflips, we can cover 720s for you. Whatever you're gonna learn with, we're keeping the group small, 10 athletes per week. So it's filling up, so sign up for camp if you haven't yet. If you're considering it, pull the trigger. It's an all-inclusive camp. You just gotta fly into Portland, Oregon, and then once you're there, we're talking about maybe running the shuttle down and picking you guys up from the airport. We didn't do that last year, but we might be able to, if a lot of the flights around the same time, do that. But once I get you guys to the Airbnb, I got you covered. All the travel to the mountain, all the lift tickets, literally everything's included. Your food, I'm gonna have a cook there that's gonna make us dinner. We're gonna do video breakdowns. We're gonna do activities after we go snowboarding, like swimming in Trillium Lake, jumping into a river, things like that. It's gonna be a really cool time. So sign up for snowboard camp. If you wanna get better from snowboarding from me, it's the only time of the year I get to coach you guys on how to get better at snowboarding. And with that, I'm gonna go let my buddy borrow the FJ. I get his truck for the move. We're moving into a house this week. It's gonna be chaotic. I don't know how the videos are gonna post. I don't know how it's gonna work out, but we post a video every single day. We're gonna continue that grind, and I'm so excited to be moving my family into a home. We're gonna be doing like a home. I'm gonna do like a house reveal video. I know that's not snowboarding, but I want you guys that are supporting the channel, buying the merch, all the Patreons, all the members, to see where your money's going, and that I'm not wasting it, and 100% of everything that goes to this channel goes right back into it. So thank you to all my members. We just hit over 120 members. That's that little join button next to the subscribe button if you want to become a member. Truly support the channel, especially through the summer. I don't know if you guys can tell, the views have dropped tremendously. Merch sales, everything dies down in the summer. It is as expected, but if you want to help me through the summer, kind of continue to make the content better, obviously the more money we make, the better we can make the content. We can do some traveling and things like that. So thank you so much to all the members, everyone's snagging merch. And I can't say thank you enough. I do this for a living because of you guys. So thank you to all my subscribers. If you're just even watching a video, you're helping out the dream. And I appreciate you so much. But with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today. We landed front 720, we landed cap 720, and we've ran out of back 720 this year. 3 720s. I'm hyped. We're getting so much better at snowboarding, and we're gonna continue to progress. But with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with me today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliff.